What's up folks, my name is Felix and I'm back with a new video today about the BNB miner, the only miner who has proven itself to be sustainable over the long run. As you can see, it's already running over 660 days and still has BNB in its contract and it's paying out the investors. Now you might want to say, Felix, why are you showing us this miner? It's not interesting. Miner season was last year. Those miner didn't perform. This didn't work out for me. I lost a lot of money. Okay, that's fine. But this miner has proven itself and I want to show you the current statistics, why this miner is the best miner and also the oldest miner and can still pay you a good amount of money if you start compounding 6 times a week and withdrawing just 1 time a week. For the first part of the video now, we want to take at the current statistics, why I want to show you this miner right now, because it's very important to pay attention on how the evolvement is. And in the second part of the video, I want to mention the biggest risks which this miner includes and what the biggest wallets are doing currently. So we are now going to take a look on the current chart of the miner. As you can see, the balance which decreased for a long time in December, but now we can see a little increase right here. So maybe it's starting to take off. We found our bottom and people are preparing for the third cycle. And that's what we also can see if we take a look on this chart right here. That's of course the BSC scan analytics page. We can see the first cycle, which was in September until November in 21, and the second cycle, which was in the mid of last year from around June to September. And now we are bottoming out right here. And if we take a look on that last part here, we can see that it's increasing over the last days. There's more BNB coming in that it's withdrawn by the people. And if this statistic here is not clear enough for you, we want to take a look on this bars right here. A short explanation for those people who don't know what these bars here mean. The black bars right here are the BNB which are deposited, and the blue bars right here show the BNB which are sent out, which are withdrawn by the investors. If we take a look on the last 5 days in this miner project, there was a lot of BNB coming in from new investors, maybe also from current investors which put some more BNB into the project because they saw what's going on in there. So we can clearly see something is in the making. If I jump back to the DApp page, you can see we have around 1300 BNB right now in our contract balance. And at the peak, if we jump back to the overall chart, we had a high BNB highest balance of around 12,000 BNB. So the potential we have right here currently is around the 10x. And that's only to reach the peak in the last cycle. Maybe the potential is way higher and we can get a double amount of BNB. As we saw in baked beans, for example, we had a BNB balance of around 35,000. So nothing is impossible. I'm not saying it's happening, but the current statistics show that there is a clear uptrend and more people start paying attention on this miner because this miner, as I already said in the beginning, has proven itself to be sustainable over the long run. But now we want to take a look on what the whales are currently doing in this project, because we all know how these miner projects work. The biggest wallets who came in very early, they have the biggest chance of earning in these projects. But as this miner is already ongoing for such a long time, maybe those whales have already quitted this project. So let's take a look on the Dune dashboard. It might look a little bit confusing right now, but give me a second, I will explain it to you. On the left, we can see the addresses which are invested in this BNB miner, and I filtered for the biggest wallets which spend the most amount of BNB right here. And if we take a look on the first wallet, so the biggest wallet right here, which spent 538 BNB on the 28th of April last year. This wallet already received 823 BNB, which is a net earning of 284. So this number one wallet right here made a very nice profit of around 50% since their investment. And if we take a look on the current action of this wallet, I just filtered the contract by the actions of this wallet. And as you can see, this wallet is selling almost every day, every second day or every third day. And if we take a look on what this wallet is currently earning from their withdrawal, it's around 0.5 BNB what this wallet is currently earning every day. So this wallet right here, as it has the biggest deposit, is our biggest risk. Now we want to take a look on the other wallets right here. So the next one, this which is ending on CFF, spent 301 BNB and just earned 4 BNB from this project and invested on the 11th of August in 2021. Let's see what this wallet is currently doing. It's also just selling, and the last selling transaction was 22 days ago. If we go on that selling transaction, and it just got 0.13 BNB, and that's basically nothing, as we can see what this wallet has invested here almost 1.5 years ago. So these two wallets right here are our biggest risk in this project, and they are together just earning 0.5 BNB. Now we want to take a look at the other big wallets. You can see wallet number 3, net earnings minus 130. Also here, minus 112. Then this next wallet here is interesting, which is ending on 392. Let's take a look at this wallet. I also filtered for that wallet. As you can see, if we jump in here, it's ending, oops, my mistake. It ended on 392. This wallet just sold 27 days ago, so it's also not active anymore. Let's see what it got out of this transaction. Okay, this amount is a little bit higher. It's 1.45 BNB, but as I already said, the last transaction was 1 month ago, so nothing to be concerned about. But we want to take a look on one more wallet because we might be on the wrong path. So let's see. Okay, minus 99, minus 44, minus 1, minus 71. Okay, I don't want to bore you, so let's jump to this wallet right here, which spent 129 BNB. This wallet is currently in profit of 34 BNB, so it got out 164 BNB. Let's see, this wallet is ending on 0A6. Let's jump over to this wallet. I of course also filtered this one. As you can see, the ending is OA6, and this wallet sold 62 days ago. So it's also not active anymore. I hope you get my point right here. What I want to tell you is the biggest risks, so the biggest wallets right here, are not even active anymore and are just withdrawing around 0.5 BNB a day. So as we see the bottom right here on this chart, if this project is starting to grow again, to maybe reach its last peak, there is a massive opportunity to earn from this project in the long run. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm currently seeing, what the data is saying in this project, and the data shows that there is a lot of BNB deposited, more than what people are currently withdrawing. Do your own due diligence on it. Of course, I will keep you updated. I will take a closer look on it every day to see how it is going. If it's the bottom, maybe it's not. Maybe we have to go a little bit deeper. Maybe TBL balance has to decrease to 1000 or maybe just 500. But the current data are showing that it's increasing now, and this might be the point where you want to get in. I, for example, got in right here. If I make this a little bit bigger, I got in right here. When I saw this slight increase right here on the 28th of April, I covered it on my German YouTube channel. You can find it. And I jumped in right here with around, I think it was 1 or 1.5 BNB. And then we had this nice ride up here to the peak of around 12,000 BNB. And I earned a nice amount of BNB. And this point right here where I got in looks very similar if we go back right here to the point where we are currently sitting. So let's see, I will keep you updated on my channel. If you like those videos, would be great if you could give me a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future update videos, just click on subscribe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let's get this crypto.